Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexia Leanne if this is your very first time here. On this channel I tend to do makeup tutorials, anything beauty, and of course fashion. But before we go ahead and jump into this video, I'm asking you guys to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I post a new video. Okay y'all, so let's go ahead and get started with today's video. I know I've been doing like a lot of luxury unboxing and different wallets and things of Louis Vuitton. So I got this wallet probably like a couple years ago as well. And of course it is in my dust bag. That's how I keep everything nice and looking new. This wallet is the Louis Vuitton. This is the Zippy Wallet, long wallet. And I'm just going to show you guys up close what this wallet looks like. It is so beautiful. Again, this does has the gold accents to it. The stitching, craftsmanship, it looks beautiful on this wallet. This is the gold little zipper that comes with it. Again, that does say Louis Vuitton. This is in monogram, so this is how this looks. Kind of letting you guys see it from all angles if you're thinking about getting one of these. I take this one on occasions, usually if I'm putting it into my purse, my Speedy purse or anything, my Louis Vuitton, and I want to show you guys what it looks like inside. Again, this is how it looks. This is the Fuchsia. It looks more like a red interior inside, but it is Fuchsia. Okay, and I kind of want to show you guys what it can store in the insides. But again, look at all of these different folds in here. So I kind of, let's see, it has 12 total compartments where you can put your cards in. Of course I put my debit card, my credit cards in here. Again, this is on the other side as well. And of course I'm a coffee drinker, so I love Starbucks gift cards, cups, anything with coffee. With this wallet it has different compartments, so you can put maybe your receipts on one side, you can put your bills, and then right here you have a compartment you can store things. Right in the zippy part you can put coins or anything that you want. But y'all, this wallet is so spacious, it stores everything in there. Right here it has the Louis Vuitton, and it was made in Paris. I love a zippy, how it just zips all the way around. I've had this wallet, like I said, maybe a little over 2 years, but it was worth it. I think it retails for like $850, but you will get so many good uses out of it. I just love how the long wallet is though. I think it also comes in a few other prints as well. But of course, you know, I love my MoneyGram. Love, love, love. But I'm trying to really just show you guys like what's all in there. Of course, I would have my ID in there as well, my license. But y'all, this is just such a beautiful piece. Beautiful piece to my collection. I think I'm really a big fan of just Louis Vuitton wallets, because I feel like I can't get enough of them. They're always come in handy. You can dress them up. They can be casual pieces, things like that. So you guys, if you don't have this one in your collection, I would highly, highly recommend this one. Like I said, I always love my zippies, and yeah, also I will show you guys my zippy coin. I want to put my cards and stuff in there as well to kind of show you guys that everything fits, like whatever you put in here. So be right back. Okay guys, so again, this is my zippy coin. I did do a video on that one on this one, so if you want a more detail of this one, I will link this up above. But this is the Zippy coin. Now I put everything that was in that other Zippy. I want to show you guys what it looks like with this one. So again, here is everything in there. All my cards are stashed in here. Now this one has a total of 6 compartments, I believe. Now this one at the top, you can just put whatever you want. It's not really a card insertion, but I just like to keep my debit card up there. And then again, your ID goes in the middle, and my gift cards, coffee goes on that side. You can tuck some cash in here, so everything fits lovely in here. Again, everything zips up. You don't have to worry about losing anything. Everything is right in here. Again, this is one of my favorite pieces because of the little charm that comes with it. And I do love the pink outlining of this and the gold accents. You know, I love my monogram. So again, this is the Zippy coin, what fits in this one. And I want to show you guys what fits, of course, in my key pouch. I've been using this one every day now since I've gotten it. I use it every day for work, especially working as a nurse. It goes in and out of my pocket. Everything stays put. So I want to show you guys, even though it's so small and so thin, like how much actually fits in here. And I'll be right back with this one. Alright, so last but not least, this is my key pouch. And I have my keys attached. It's easy to do. So I'm going to take it apart so I can show you guys what's inside. And it really is easy to take apart. I know in my key pouch demonstration, I had such a hard time opening it, but y'all, I got the hang of it. If you want the details and a really go through of this Louis Vuitton piece, then I will link that one up above. But let me go ahead and show you what's inside of this one. So I have all my cards, everything that were in my other 2 wallets. They're all in here. I have cash in there. I folded it up so it can actually fit. I can put more in there if I wanted to. Everything fits lovely in here. It zips. Love. One thing I did want to say that I didn't mention in that unboxing was that some people say that they can see through at the bottom of their Louis Vuitton key pouch, and I do not see that in mine, which is a plus. People are saying that it happens, and I'm just so thankful that it didn't happen to mine, since, you know, you put so much money on these pieces and you want everything to be perfect. So again, that is my key pouch. Show you all 3 of them. Maybe you guys can get your hands on these. So again, my Zippy long wallet, beautiful piece. Love. The Zippy coin, another personal favorite of mine, and then my key pouch. So guys, I don't know what my next wallet will be, but if you have a good one, leave those comments down below, because I'm always looking for the next best thing that I would like to put in my collection. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up today's video on my Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet. I hope that you enjoy the content that I have provided you guys, especially showing you guys what fits into my other 2 wallets as well. Be sure to like by giving a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, subscribe to my channel, share it with someone that's struggling to see which wallet they want, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.